Rub his back, rub his back.
Ugh.
It's alright.
Hey, look, Mark,
Everybody in the house right here. Richard, what's up, though? Robert.
hey, I swear someone's having a blast. He's dry heaving that shit.
I think you're done, man. You ain't got nothing left.
No, it's
That's
coming.
it. This is Doritos, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dude, look at his tray. You can see from
I know, bro. I'm so glad it's not in the house.
Yeah.
It's all good. Let it out. I'm gonna get you some water, cousin. Yeah? Hey, get him a water, yeah?
Huh?
Get him a water.
I gotta wipe your shoes. You want me to go in your house right there?
I'm recording this shit, fool.
This shit right here, motherfucker.
This shit right here. This shit right here. Damn. This shit right Damn, this shit right here, bro. This shit going on Facebook, dog. What you do Saturday night? What's your last name? What size dirt bike you have?
450. I ran a 450.
Oh my god.
Hey, whoa, bro.
Whoa.
Hey, whoa. You the cops,
Excuse me,
bro?
sir. Have you been drinking?
Fuck no.
Oh, you're white. That's okay.
Whoa, that shit stinks, bro.
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's get out of here.
Dude, it's coming out of your nose.
Yeah, it is.
Just seriously, cousin. What is that in your nose?
I
bro?
shouldn't drink alcohol.
There's some, and it smells like poop too. Oh, that's because I farted. Wow. Can you walk now?
I'm not sure.
He's not sure.
He'll feel better in a minute.
Yeah. I hope
I
him walk
shouldn't
back.
drink alcohol.
Rob, get this full of water. Come on, let's go. I'll show up, cousin. Turn up video.